First, taking my Hydroboost Overnight Hydration Cream to prime my skin. This helps drastically with my dry skin. For foundation, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, and I'm applying that with my Love is the Foundation brush. Eyeshadow primer, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, and that's going to act as my base for my eyeshadows. I use this eyeshadow a lot, but this is my favorite palette. It's the Club Tropicana. I'm going to take the shimmery pink shade and place it all over the lid as my first color. Now I'm going to be doing my favorite technique in the crease. I'm taking my 324 Beauty Treats pencil brush and the shimmery olive green, and I'm just going to place this directly in the crease halfway. This creates a beautiful pop of color. Lower lash line, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Multistick in green. This is a jumbo liner crayon, and I'm just going to place this on my lower lash line. It does apply a little thick, so next I'm going to be taking an eyeshadow to smoothen it out. I'm going back into that olive green shade, and I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line, and this is going to smoothen it. I'm going to be applying the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. This mascara has been working wonders for my lashes. It makes them appear very full, and I feel like right now this is my favorite. My Wet n Wild Coloricon blush in Pearlescent Pink. I'm taking this Shania B blush brush that I received in one of my Ipsy bags a few months ago. It applies the color really well. This completes today's look. Thank you so much, guys. If you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!